Have you ever wanted to speak English but didn't know how to start a conversation? Do you freeze when someone says hi and you're not sure what to say back? Well, what if I told you that you only need 10 simple sentences to start talking to anyone confidently? In this video, you'll learn the exact phrases that native speakers use every single day. We'll break them down with clear examples and pronunciation so you can speak English from day one. Let's go, and don't miss number 10. It's a magic sentence that makes people instantly like you.
Hi, how are you? This is the most common and friendly way to begin a conversation. Example: Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Sentence 2. What's your name? Use this when you meet someone new. Example: What's your name? My name is Alex. What's yours? Sentence 3. Where are you from? A good way to learn about someone's background. Example: Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. And you? Sentence 4. Nice to meet you. Say this after learning someone's name. Example: Nice to meet you, Emma. Like this video so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy English Tube. We post simple and useful English lessons every week. Sentence 5. How's your day going? A natural question for everyday conversation. Example: How's your day going? Pretty good, just relaxing. You? Sentence 6. Do you speak English? Helpful if you're unsure about someone's language. Example: Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Sentence 7. Can you help me, please? Perfect for real-life situations. Example: Can you help me, please? Sure, what do you need? Sentence 8. What do you do? Ask this when you want to know someone's job. Example: What do you do? I'm a designer. I work from home. Sentence 9. How much is this? Use this when shopping. Example: How much is this bag? It's $10. Sentence 10. Have a nice day. A kind way to end any conversation. Example: Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Which sentence was your favorite? Leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Tube for more helpful videos.